What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan Shoeman. I'm back with another unboxing. I'm finally getting through, or actually making a little bit of a dent in this stack of new shoes and merch that I've got sitting here. Let me first give a word to my sponsor, because my sponsor is so important to me. Jesus, Matthew chapter 27, verse 46. Jesus was hanging from the cross. He looked up to God and he said, my God, my God, my God, my God, why have you forsaken me? Hebrews 13:5 says that God will never leave us or forsake us. When I read that, it's that God is never going to leave me or forsake me. And that's because I trust that Jesus took all the forsaking just for me. And I couldn't ask for a better sponsor than that. So thank you very much, Jesus. All right. I think Grandma won this one. Because I know they gave me, I'm pretty sure they gave me this one. When I recorded this video, I had a stack here and I wasn't really sure what this was. I do think I know what this one is now. But this is a really weird box. I haven't seen a box like this come from Nike, which kind of makes me think this might even be from Nike, but no, it is. It is what I thought it was. Oh gosh, I need my boxes.
I was counting my months of the year.
What months?
On the box, this is 4/28/22.
Oh, okay, this is the Nike Dunk Low Grade School Pure Platinum White and Wolf Gray. Wolf Gray normally is a good color on Nikes, on Dunks and Jordans especially. Like the Wolf Gray, I think there's some Wolf Gray 5s, a bunch of Wolf Grays, and people like Wolf Grays. I don't think people like these Dunks quite as much, but, and this isn't my size, this is Hesper's size. She might like these, because I don't think she has any cool grays. She doesn't really have any gray shoes.
Yeah, I saw a thing about the Gray Wolf or something, whatever it's called. This was, yeah, gray.
Alright, let's take a look. And we'll bring Hesper in here probably tomorrow to take a look at these.
Ooh, she might like those.
Ooh, I did think that these were cute.
Cute.
White swoosh, white midsole. I don't know which one of these is which. I would assume the darker gray is the Wolf Gray, and the lighter one is the Pure Platinum, because it's almost like a bluishy gray. Very light color blue. You see that?
Yeah, it's pretty.
I know Haley will like these. I mean,
Yes.
maybe not like be crazy about them, but I know that she would like them. And I'm just like, okay. I'm not as much a fan. I mean, this leather is pretty thick. The leather is actually thicker than on this women's pair. But I'm not a fan of these, actually. The color is okay. But, like, it's just, I think maybe the way it was in this box, it's kind of deformed. I'm not feeling this.
Yeah.
You see this, I'd say, pretty frequently on Dunks. This is a $100 shoe, or less. I think maybe it was 70. So you see this on Dunks sometimes, and you see how that's bulged right there?
Yeah.
You see it in the camera? Yeah, it's bulged. Like the outsole isn't formed correctly, which that might make it uncomfortable. It might not. I don't know. This is just your run-of-the-mill Dunk. There's nothing that special about it. I don't really know why people think they're that special.
Just wondering, what's it? I'm just thinking, if that's a shoe and that black.
This is a shoe.
It's not. That's what I was saying. I was like, it can't be because the box is so
You're
flat.
right, it can't. It's not a shoe. All right. Well, y'all let me know what you think about these, because like I kind of like this maybe better than a Panda, because a Panda's just so blah. But it is. It's just black and white. Peyton has Pandas, and she's looking at me like, how dare you insult my shoe? But so it's a little bit better than it's got 3 colors. It's not like just normal black and white. I mean, I guess it is. It's just gray. So it's just black with a little bit extra white in it, right?
Yeah.
To make gray.
Something.
Yeah, maybe. And actually, I know in general, Nikes with a black swoosh, especially Dunks and Jordans with a black swoosh, tend to be more sought after than any other color swoosh. Black swoosh is just what people like, but I don't know. I'm not a fan of these. I thought I was gonna like these more, but kind of trash.
Jeez.
Y'all comment down below.
Oh,
Let me know if you think these are trash. I'm not really into this video anymore because these are kind of trash. But 2,000 sub giveaway. These could possibly be yours if you want them, but they're trash. So pan over there really quick just to show how many pairs of shoes we have over here. Those are
Almost
all
to the roof.
Yeah, those are almost all boxes with shoes in them that have never been worn. So aside from crowning my, aside from crowning my most valuable sub, talked about that aplenty, I'm also going to give away a shoe to one random commenter and subscriber from that video, and it'll be something that's here by the time we run that video and do that giveaway. I don't know what I'm going to have, but there's a whole lot of stuff here to choose from. Mostly size 6.5 and size 11, but if it's not what you want, then if it's not a size that you want, then you can sell it. So, thanks for being here.
Maybe Grandma might.
Grandma would probably like these a lot. So y'all tell me what you think about these, and tell your grandma so she can tell us what she thinks about these. Smash that like button. I'll see you next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Juice.
Ah! Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.